Hello everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to find and use the repair option for Quick Assist on Windows 11. If Quick Assist is not working properly, repairing the application can help fix some common app problems without removing the application. First, open Windows Settings. You can do this by clicking the Start button and selecting Settings. Now click Apps from the left side. Next, select Installed Apps. At the top, click the search box and type Quick Assist. Find Quick Assist in the list. Now click the three dots next to Quick Assist. From the menu, select Advanced Options. A new page will open with different options for the Quick Assist application. Scroll down until you find the Reset section. Just above the Reset option, you should see the Repair button. The Repair option allows Windows to check and repair the application. For this tutorial, we are going to show the Repair option and explain how it works. Click Repair. Wait a few moments while Windows completes the repair process. The process may take a short time, so wait until it finishes. Once the repair is complete, the Repair button may become available again. Now you can close the Settings window. Open Quick Assist again and check whether the application is working correctly. One important thing to remember is that repair is different from reset. Repair attempts to fix the application while keeping its data. Reset, on the other hand, can remove the application's saved data and restore it to its default state. So if you are troubleshooting Quick Assist, trying Repair first is a good option. And that's it. You now know how to find and use the Repair option for Quick Assist on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more Windows tutorials.